Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. Today video is continuation of my previous video on water stress project. Now, I reiterate. Um, actually, uh, now I am creating a project for a particular study area. In that study area will be a block or tehsil boundary in any of the state. So I will decide that what will be the block. So you can do it further for you can take your own study area. So my objective is to start from bottom, right? From data importing, what kind of data we have, how to create a data, uh, how to filter the data, and basically to how to standardize the data, because that is the key nowadays. AI, machine learning, lot of things are going on, but at the same time this data standardization adds it's a its applicability, and you should understand what we are going to do. Then only AI will also help you, right, in better ways. So basically, we are trying to understand the data, what are the processes, so that you can understand each and everything in between from bottom to top. There is a lot of things in between. So I'm trying to solve those, so I'm trying to help you in that way, right? So what we are doing is, our notebook name is water stress. So basically, why we are telling a study area is a water stress, right? What are the component, what are the data, how to do that. So lot of in this video you will understand water resources, GIS, remote sensing, reporting, everything you will know, so that you can use the same skill in other sectors also, urban health, infrastructure, right? So in last video I showed you that how to from a from state we came into the taluk, that how to visualize the taluk, how what are how many blocks in a particular state, right? So so number of district, number of blocks, we did that. So now problem is that now, while doing this, what we found out that we have issue in the state names, right? There are this AN, AP, KA for Karnataka. They are duplicacy and the name is not correct, right? So we find out that. So now what we will do that, how to fix that? This is the this exercise, right? So so how to clear that? So in this video, to fix state name. So we know that how what are the in from this state. We already know that what are the issues, means we have this Andhra Pradesh, and this Andaman and Nicobar is AN, AP is Andhra Pradesh. We know the what are the these are the 39 things, right? So now first we will fix the state name. So now what we know, we'll do the state mapping. State, then AN in place of that Andaman and Nicobar, AP is Andhra Pradesh, T and Tamil Nadu. We means we mapped it, right? So now based on that, we clean the existing column. The state is the our column, right? So we do what, how we did that, where how why we are saying the state is our column. So we have one column in here, state. How we know, GDF dot head, right? So then we are replacing the abbreviations, right? So we have, these are the abbreviation we are replacing. Then GDF state equal to GDF state, the replace with the state mapping, this state mapping, right? So we just run this and run this. Now we have to fix, we have to verify it whether we have done this or not. So now print GDF state dot value count, right? We have to write this. So these are practices actually. If you do the practice, then you will automatically write these codes, right? So when you run this, then you can see we have, now we are not in those abbreviation. Here we having abbreviation A and AP. Now we fixed it. So now you can see how many blocks in each state. So now, because there are spacing is like in Andaman and Nicobar is like this, so we have to solve that also. right? You can see here Andaman and Nicobar. Already fixed. It's not required, but you can do that also. Odisha means Odisha, right? We have changed that also. Odisha means, you can see here, earlier it was, because this data set I have downloaded from internet, so that's why. So now again we will do the we will try to do this table, right? So now what we have done is the summary GDF, the group by state, means we are grouping all the state, means whatever, and aggregate the number of district and unique value and number of blocks in that district, right? Means total count actually. So now you can see we have state one. While we run it, then it will be print like this, right? This one, run it. So now we have the state, number of district and number of blocks while using this, right? So now you can check with your your data, right? And you can do other, you can group other attributes also. So now these you can see. Okay, this is I should do earlier also, but no problem. Basically this should I should write this one here, means here, right? Control X, and I will put it here now. So now it should be. So here actually what you should have is that summary, summary dot to CSV, and can say state dot CSV. Yeah, you run it. So now you can see in your, yeah, it is there. If you see, so this is, now you can see we have state, and you can put in your report. This table you can put in your report. So that's it for today. So I hope it will help you. So please practice it, and yeah, again, I will come in next video. I will come with more detailing, so that this is actually, this is very key in any of the project, to how to do a data standardization, how we are using that data set in your project. So when you fix it, then the other thing, the coming things will be more easier for you to create a report or to create a project, right? Thank you very much.